Why is contract monitoring important? This entails tracking the progress of the contractual agreement and ensuring that all parties are adhering to the terms. Contract monitoring is a way to make sure that everyone involved in a contract follows the rules and does what they agreed to do. It also helps with managing risks and helping everyone do their best. Welcome to our video on contract monitoring. In today's fast-paced business world, keeping track of contractual agreements and ensuring compliance is crucial for the success of any organization. That's where contract monitoring comes into play. Let's explore how it works. Well, let's consider a few reasons. 1. Compliance. By monitoring contracts, you can ensure that all parties comply with the terms and conditions outlined in the agreement. This helps avoid any misunderstandings or disputes that may arise. 2. Risk management. Contract monitoring allows you to identify potential risks and take necessary actions to mitigate them. It helps you stay ahead of any potential issues and protect your organization's interests. 3. Performance evaluation. By monitoring contract performance, you can assess how well each party is meeting their obligations. This information can be invaluable when evaluating the agreement's effectiveness and making informed decisions. Let's dive into the steps involved in contract monitoring. Define key performance indicators. Start by establishing KPIs that align with the objectives of the contract. These KPIs will serve as measurable benchmarks for evaluating performance. Establish monitoring mechanisms. Determine how you will monitor the contract. This may involve regular check-ins, progress reports, or utilizing specialized contract management software. Track obligations and deadlines. Keep a close eye on all obligations and deadlines specified in the contract. This ensures that all parties fulfill their responsibilities on time. Document and review. Maintain comprehensive documentation of all contract-related communications and activities. Regularly review these records to stay informed about any changes or developments. Address non-compliance. If any party fails to meet their obligations or deviates from the agreed terms, take appropriate action. This may involve negotiations, issue resolution, or, in extreme cases, legal remedies. The benefits of contract monitoring are numerous. Increased transparency. Monitoring contracts promote transparency among all parties involved. It ensures that everyone has access to the same information, fostering trust and accountability. Improved performance. By actively monitoring contracts, you can identify areas for improvement and work towards optimizing performance. This leads to enhanced productivity and better outcomes. Cost savings. Effective contract monitoring helps identify any deviations or inefficiencies that may lead to financial losses. Addressing these issues promptly can save costs and protect your organization's bottom line. Contract monitoring is essential for any organization aiming to effectively manage its contractual agreements. By monitoring contracts, you can ensure compliance, manage risks, and drive performance. So, start implementing contract monitoring practices today and reap the benefits of a well-managed contract portfolio. Thank you for watching our video on contract monitoring. For more information and assistance, please reach out to our team of experts.